Hey everyone! I wanted to give you a quick demo of how to find kindergarten, first grade, and second grade assignments on my PRA website. So I start by it being on the PRA homepage. I go to About, Staff Directory. I'm going to search for my name. Here is my homepage, so like About and pictures and links to other pages. You're going to scroll down and find your kiddo's grade level, so second grade for example. And then recent posts, anything that's newest is going to be on top. So I've got like a quick announcement right here. It's talking about how the emails that you get from Edleo are not always, that links aren't always active, the videos aren't always working. So coming directly to my website will always get you what you need, hopefully. I am going to be posting some just for fun lessons, and I'll make sure to always title those just for fun. These are optional. You don't have to watch them. You don't have to do them. That's another part of the just for fun lesson. Anything that is a required or a suggested lesson from technology is going to be Tech Week of, and then whatever the week is. So Tech Week of April 1st, Tech Week of April 1st. So here's the directions doc and the directions video. So these two go together. You should be able to click right here on the website to play the video. If you have any trouble, if it won't load, you can always click on the word YouTube right here, and it's going to open that video in YouTube. Hey friends, for you to see. Then as I scroll down, here's the directions doc. So if I click on it, it's going to open for me in a new page. Here are all the step-by-step things you can do. I even have links you can click right on to get what you need to do. So there's all the steps for the assignment this week. I highly recommend copying and saving the URL to my page. So if you're in second grade right here, you can copy this and either bookmark it or save it as an icon on your home screen if you're on a tablet. There's lots of different ways to save it so that you could just click on it and come right here and see the assignments. There'll be new assignments every Monday morning. So be sure to check back. You can always just come take a look, but saving this URL somewhere, even just like on a sticky note on your desktop or something, will make it easy just to click and take you right here where you need to be. Thanks so much.